This is the doe that Mary killed. Last year the chickadee started to actually eat away some of the front shoulder, but not this year. Take one more of those does that we fed pears and peaches and apples and corn. They would show up earlier than all the rest of the deer that came sniffing around. They'd eat it all. There's the last buck I shot on this property. 2018. Yeah. Been waiting for all the skin to fall off, but it ain't falling off. Probably have to boil it. Or stick it in the soil, stick it in a garden bed. How about that? So I stopped the car because I want to document this trail here. And there are some fresh tracks in the gravel. Some heading back and forth in here. This is very interesting. Looks like there's a little swale right here. That's why it didn't regrow in the center of it. Flip around to the next side. There's like two trails here. Here's one on it right here. There's one over here. It looks like a continuation of the swale. I'll mark it on a GPS. Not today, but this winter I'll come do a little scouting. Can't even see a seam there now. There's the first hint of a seam. Now you can see the branches. They came out of the main trunk. Amazing. All the wood that was stacked up against this wall is gone. Hunting season is nearly over. Still have some wood left. The split stuff is for quick hot burns. This larger material, this larger wood is for when I want it to burn for 4 or 5 hours. Like when I'm about to go to sleep, throw one of those on the coals. Restrict airflow a little bit. And it'll last 4 or 5 hours. Brought some pots in from the house. These are filled with compost that I made in 2022 and I grew a crop in them. Harvested a lot of greens out of them. There's 2 that I'm thawing out. Got some nice carrots in there yet. Fennel. Some beets in here.